Okay, we're getting ready to add some items to your inventory, but we need to do a little bit of prep work before we do. Kind of like setting up your chart of accounts for your accounting system. We need to set up the way that we're going to enter our inventory. We're going to head on over to the chart of accounts. And if you'll notice, there's no inventory asset account because we need to put an item in. So we're going to go to List, Item List. You see no item there, so we're going to add New. We're going to call this Sample 1, but it's an inventory part. Or sub-item will be, if you have variations, manufacturer part number would be your model number or UPC. Then you'll put your description in for, I usually just call it whatever the listing is on Amazon. Then your cost is what you paid for the item plus any taxes. The cost of goods sold, choose the Amazon FBA. This is where you set it up. Preferred vendor, we're going to use Walmart. The items on the left-hand side are for purchase information, for vendor information. The sales information is on the right-hand side, so our cost was $5. We're going to put in our sale at $25. The description just copies over unless you want to change it. You decide if it's taxable or non-taxable. The income account is going to be your merchandise sales, Amazon, FBA. And then you see the inventory account, asset account is no drop down, so we can't itemize yet, so we're going to go OK. And then we're going to edit that account in the chart of accounts. So we'll go to List, Chart of Accounts. We'll find our inventory asset account. Now it's on our chart of account. Other current asset. So we'll go to our Add News, and then we'll go to Other Account, Other Current Asset, and you'll see the inventory is listed in there. So you're going to continue, and we're going to choose Amazon, because this is sort of a bin location or an aisle or where our product is located, and we're going to put it in Inventory Asset in Amazon. We'll set up another one that's going to be New, same type of account number, account type, yeah, okay, and then FBA. Our sub account is going to be Inventory Asset, Amazon. We'll do the same thing for Merchant Fulfilled. And remember, we set up eBay and my website as other sales revenue, so we will go ahead and put those in while we're here. And we're going to use this account as if it was a bin location. If you're in the parts business, you might recognize that term. If you're in retail, you might use an aisle. It's going to help you to know where your item is for whenever you're doing a physical inventory and you can't actually see the items. We'll compare those to our reports that we get from Amazon. I told you this lesson was going to be fast. And this is in preparation for our downloads from Amazon's inventory report. So you can also go back in and add your inventory one at a time if you do not do the download, or if you're not using FBA. You're listing your things from your website maybe. Okay, so here we are back, and we're now able to put that in FBA, and we're going to go up and do some custom fields. And I've already put these in from the Amazon Seller app, so you can copy those. You add those in under Define Fields. Make sure you click Use. If you want to add any other ones besides the ones I've added in, you just type them in the field and click OK. Now you see your item, and we will take up where we are leaving off in our next lesson.